Larry Page's History 2023. Lawrence Edward Page, popularly known as Larry Page, is an American computer scientist and entrepreneur who co-founded Google, one of the most successful and widely used search engines in the world. Born on March 26, 1973, in East Lansing, Michigan, Page grew up in a family of computer experts. His father, Carl Victor Page, was a pioneer in computer science and artificial intelligence, while his mother, Gloria Page, was a computer programming instructor at Michigan State University. Page attended East Lansing High School and excelled in his studies. He went on to pursue a Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering at the University of Michigan, where he met fellow computer science student Sergey Brin. The two would eventually go on to co-found Google, but their journey to success was not without its challenges. In the mid-1990s, Page became interested in the World Wide Web and began exploring the potential for a search engine that could effectively and efficiently organize and present information to users. He began working on a project called Backrub, which he later renamed Google. The name, Google, was derived from the mathematical term, Google, which refers to the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. This name was chosen to represent the vast amount of information that the search engine would be able to organize and present to users. Page and Brin worked tirelessly to develop the Google search engine, experimenting with different algorithms and techniques to improve its accuracy and relevance. They also secured funding from investors, including Andy Bechtolsheim, who gave them a check for $100,000 in August 1998. Google officially launched on September 4, 1998, and quickly gained popularity among Internet users for its fast and accurate search results. Page and Brin continued to refine the search engine, adding new features and expanding its capabilities. In 2000, they launched Google AdWords, a program that allowed advertisers to place targeted ads on the search engine's results pages. As Google's popularity continued to grow, Page and Brin became well-known figures in the tech industry. They were praised for their innovative approach to search and their commitment to providing users with a high-quality experience. In 2001, Page was named a World Economic Forum Global Leader for Tomorrow, and in 2002, he was included in the MIT Technology Review TR100, a list of the top 100 innovators under the age of 35. Despite their success, Page and Brin faced challenges along the way. In 2001, Google was sued by a company called Overture Services, which claimed that Google's AdWords program violated its patents. The lawsuit was settled out of court, with Google agreeing to pay Overture $20 million in stock. Page and Brin also faced criticism over Google's policies regarding user privacy and data collection. In 2004, they wrote a letter to potential investors ahead of Google's initial public offering, in which they stated that the company's commitment to user privacy is among our most important priorities. However, in 2012, Google was fined $22.5 million by the Federal Trade Commission for violating privacy settings on Apple's Safari browser. In addition to his work at Google, Page has been involved in a number of other ventures over the years. In 2015, he announced that Google would be restructured under a new parent company called Alphabet, with Page serving as CEO. He also invested in a number of startups, including Tesla, which he co-founded with entrepreneur Elon Musk. In recent years, Page has become known for his interest in aviation and his efforts to develop flying cars. He founded a company called Kitty Hawk in 2016, which is focused on developing and commercializing flying cars and other personal aviation vehicles. Despite his success and wealth, Larry Page's educational qualifications. Larry Page holds a Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Engineering from the University of Michigan. He later went on to pursue a Master of Science degree in Computer Science from Stanford University, where he met Sergey Brin and began working on the project that would eventually become Google. Larry Page's net worth. As of my knowledge cutoff of September 2022, Larry Page's net worth was estimated to be around $117 billion USD, according to Forbes. However, his exact net worth may have fluctuated since then due to changes in the stock market and other factors. Page has been consistently ranked among the world's wealthiest people due to his success as a co-founder of Google and his other business ventures. Larry Page's lifestyle. In terms of lifestyle, Page has been known to lead a relatively low-key and modest life despite his immense wealth. He has been described as living a frugal lifestyle, reportedly driving a Toyota Prius and flying economy class on commercial airlines. Page has also been known to be passionate about technology and innovation, with a particular interest in flying cars and other personal aviation vehicles. Page has also been involved in philanthropic efforts, including the establishment of the Page Family Foundation, which supports scientific research, technology education, and conservation efforts. He has also donated significant sums of money to various causes and organizations, including the fight against Ebola and the development of renewable energy technologies. Overall, while Larry Page's personal life may be largely unknown to the public, he has demonstrated a commitment to innovation, philanthropy, and living a relatively modest lifestyle despite his immense wealth. Larry Page's future plans to expand Google. Page stepped down as the CEO of Google's parent company, Alphabet, in 2019, and has since largely stepped away from his day-to-day involvement with the company. Sundar Pichai is currently the CEO of both Google and Alphabet, and is responsible for the company's strategic direction and future plans. That being said, Google has been known for its ambitious projects and for its efforts to expand into new markets and industries. In recent years, the company has been focused on a number of initiatives, including artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and the development of new hardware products such as the Google Pixel phone and Google Home smart speaker. The company has also made a number of high-profile acquisitions in recent years, including the purchase of Fitbit and Looker, and has been investing heavily in research and development in a wide range of areas. While it is unclear what specific plans Larry Page may have had for expanding Google had he remained actively involved with the company, it is likely that he would have continued to focus on innovation and growth in order to maintain Google's position as one of the world's leading technology companies. However, as mentioned earlier, it is currently up to the company's current leadership to determine its future plans and strategy. However, Page has been known for his interest in a wide range of industries and technologies, including aviation, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy. In recent years, he has been focused on his work with Kitty Hawk, a company he founded that is focused on developing and commercializing flying cars and other personal aviation vehicles. He has also been involved in other ventures, including through his investments in various startups and his role as a co-founder and former CEO of Google. Given his history of innovation and entrepreneurship, it is likely that Page will continue to be involved in a variety of projects and ventures in the future. Thanks for watching.